Have you ever pulled on your pull cord and then it felt like it didn't want to go back in? Didn't want to retract like that and didn't want to go back in? Felt like it was stuck or snagged on something? I'll show you how to fix it. Alright, the go-kart was making a squealing noise. It's coming from this part of the clutch right here. So I gotta take this off and re-grease it. Okay, I removed these screws right here. They were only 1/4. There was 2 of them. To pull the rest of this little thing off right here, I believe there's a cover on it. Alright, the easiest way to remove this cover right here, this one right here, stuck a razor blade in. Stuck the razor blade in the crack and tapped it with a hammer, and I was able to get that in the crack without messing up the edge of this right here. I was going to use a screwdriver, but a screwdriver might ding up the edge of it. But yeah, razor blade works perfect. So now I'm going to pull this guy off. I had to clean this 40-year-old starter clutch out, re-grease it, see what's going on. It was making some noise, a winding noise. Everything looks clean though, don't it? Okay, after I pulled this little shaft off right here, one of the things I noticed is, see, this looks like it has oil on it. Well, it's sticky. I don't know if it shows it on my finger, but see, it's sticky. I don't know if it shows my finger sticking to it, but anyways, this is what needs to be cleaned off, is this whole shaft right here. And you also need to clean out the part that goes on it, this piece right here. Be careful, if you look all the way down in there, there's a piece of cotton, or maybe it's cork or something, but there's something down there, some type of fabric or something, and it absorbs oil. I believe you're supposed to put motor oil inside this right here to lubricate. Okay, if you don't want to take everything apart, you can just pull this cover off right here. And then that starter clutch, where it has that little bitty hole on the end of it, if you don't want to pull the starter clutch off, all you really got to do is take an oil squirter and just squirt a drop of oil inside that hole on the side of the starter clutch, and then stick his cover back on.